Hey guys, it's Daphne, and today I'm going to read this book that I made, like, last year. I don't know. I was a really bad speller, it looks like. And also had very bad handwriting, and I still do, because I don't even...
Oh my!
Okay, let's start. Okay, chapter 2, Thunder. What is... There is...
Have you ever showed the snake Beowulf in any episode?
Yes.
Good.
Mary, get out of my ear, okay? So, chapter 1, got lost. Okay, this is called The Stray Dog, I believe. Chapter 2, Thunder. I ran as fast as I could. I heard the dead cat.
What?
Oh no! The pet store. I was trapped, nowhere to run. Hi, said the cat. What? I said. Why did you leave me? That car almost killed me. Question mark, exclamation mark, question mark, exclamation mark. Said the cat. Oh, I thought you were dead. I said, well, I'm not. So let's get going. Okay. Oh, he said. I opened my eyes and we saw a window. My brows. What is to say? I can see. Okay. Okay, let me see.
Yeah, you just put down his thing.
Okay.
She didn't know her words. Don't worry, she couldn't talk.
Saw my brows and saw my brows. Okay, let me see. No, but why? Oh, no, what's that? Okay. My brows my bro is at this place. My bro is at this place. My bro is at this place. Finally read that. As this place, it was the pet store. I could see the cat in a box. But why? The cat was being picked up. Me fool. Help me. I was in a car. I was tired, so I settled down in a basket. Okay, so we have this is like where okay. I woke up in a girl's arms. Lucy, what are you going to name it? Said Lucy's dad. Maybe Brownie? Lucy said. Can I watch TV? Yes. We interrupted the show to say that there's a thunderstorm on its way. So take cover. Hey, turn off the TV! Bang! I ran behind the couch. Don't be afraid, I will protect you. I looked into her eyes and saw the cat cuddled up next to her. I stepped on the couch and put my head over her leg. I don't do
What? Daddy, you're not even facing the camera to the book.
I know, this is just way too good. Make sure you're reading this. I mean, you're seeing this sound hilarious. Chapter 3. That didn't say 3.
She was like
it says
5.
3. Flood. Together, we watched the rain fall. Hours passed until we were fast asleep. When I woke up, she had a breakfast already, and the cats. Oh no, she had breakfast ready and the cats. We both were finished when Lucy came running down the halls, saying, "Pack up, pack your bags. It's gonna flood." Flood? I picked my stuff. You can't even pick up. Where the crap's that? Whatever, finished up. And got into the car. Seconds later, Lucy and her dad was there. Where? There. Where's Mom? Where's the mom? I wondered. I wish Mom was here, said Lucy. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna send you that later. So yeah, this is a nice long video. So everybody, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you want to read more of this book. I've already told you.